When using the F50C Brad Nailer, you may encounter issues like a stuck depth adjuster or misfires when nails fail to drive out during operation. In this video, we'll show you how to easily fix these issues. First, the depth adjuster may become stuck. You must move the adjuster limiter up or unlock the depth adjuster by using your fingernail or a small tool. Turn the adjuster to set the depth to your desired level. And reconnect the air supply and test the adjustment to ensure it's set correctly. Once you've completed the adjustment, the nailer will be ready to tackle a variety of tasks with precision. Second, the F50C Brad Nailer may fire but fail to shoot nails. Most of the time, this issue is caused by the safety switch lock not being fully pressed down during operation. When the safety switch lock is not fully pressed down, the driver may not reset properly, causing misfires or empty shots. As long as you make sure the nailer muzzle is fully pressed down with each shot, it should work just fine. By the way, PP air pressure steady between 701 to 0 psi to ensure more consistent nail drilling. By following these easy instructions, you can ensure stable and efficient operation every time you use your nailer.